First of all, I would like to welcome my chief guest of the today's evening, who could not attend this function due to some prior engagement, Shri Hariom Agarwal ji and his wife, Shrimati Sangeeta Agarwal ji, because as you all know that teachers, they are running a basically group of institutes, and the program which we have organized was decided at the last moment, because till yesterday evening everybody was in that whether we will be managed how to organize this program. So they were having a prior engagement with JP Academy where they are organizing a 3-day fest for the JP Academy school. My next thanks goes to the students who ultimately managed to organize this program for all faculty members, especially teachers, at such a short span of time. And still I am finding that they are able to manage it very nicely. But I will suggest them that they should actually have, being an engineer, they should plan the activities in such a way that it should be planned for the whole semester or for the whole academic year, so that this crash will such type of haphazard thinking will not come. I will suggest them, all the students, to please make a organizing committee to organize such type of programs, but that will be called as an organizing committee. Under that organizing committee, all other subcommittees will function so that we can include those activities into our academic calendars, and so that these programs will be more successful. Such as Engineers Day must be celebrated in an engineering college. Must be celebrated in an engineering, and each and every engineering colleges, even the Engineers Association, do celebrate the Engineers Day too. In addition to that, we should plan to have one small fest in the whole academic year. In one semester, we should plan for the sports event. In the another semester, we should plan to have 2 days cultural events, so that those who have in their minds, they can come forward and put their you can say activities in front of the others. कि what उनके अंदर क्या knowledge है. Still I think many of the students have knowledge, but they are not coming up. Only we are doing the academic, because academic is no doubt is having 90% of our whole actually personality goes to the academic career. Rest 10% or 20% goes to the other, in which basically even the PDP is the part. Personality development is the part. So since today we are celebrating the Teachers' Day, as you all know that we are celebrating the Teachers' Day on 5th of September. But the world celebrates this day on 15th of October. On 15th of October in the whole world, the Teachers' Day is being celebrated on 15th of October. But in India, we are celebrating the Teachers' Day on 5th of September, 5th of every September. On the birthday of the Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was also the second Prime Minister, second President of India. This day